Hi, in my previous video, we have already discussed about number systems and positional value and conversion from any number system to decimal number system. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss decimal to binary number conversion. There are two ways to convert decimal numbers into binary. First method requires a table of power of 2, and because of this restriction, it is more useful for small numbers. Hence, we'll follow the second procedure. The second method of converting decimal to binary is repeated division method. In this method, the number is successively divided by 2 and its remainders recorded. The final binary result is obtained by assembling all the remainders, with the last remainder being the most significant bit. Let's take one example. Suppose if I want to convert 43 to binary, so I'll divide 43 with 2. 2 21s are 42. So hence the remainder is 1. Then if we divide 21 again by 2, the 2 tens are 20. So 1 is the remainder. Now next 10. So 2 fives are 10. So 0 is the remainder because is the whole number is divisible by 2. And then 5, 2 twos are 4, so 1 is the remainder. Then again 2, 2 ones are 2, hence the remainder is 0. So 2 0 0, so hence the remainder is 1. So reading reminders from the bottom to the top, we can find 1 0 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 0 1 1 is the binary equivalent of decimal number 43. So it's not difficult, but again, to convert decimal fractions to binary, the procedure is to successively multiply the decimal fractions by the radix or base. In my previous video, I told you that base is also called radix. And in case of binary, the base is 2. And collect all numbers to the left of the decimal point reading down. Consider the following example. Now, I've taken an example 0.375, which I want to convert to binary. Now, multiply the decimal fractions by the radix. So 0.375 into 2, and we'll get the result as 0.750, and the integer part is 0. So I'll take this 0 into consideration. Then 0.750 into 2 equal to 1.50. Now this 1 integer part is 1, so I'll take the integer part. And now 0.50 into 2 is equal to 1. So again the integer part is 1, so I'll take the integer. Now in case of integer, we'll read down the integer part. So reading down the integer part, we'll find 0 1 1, hence the 0.375 decimal binary equivalent is 0.011. Now in case of mixed number, suppose convert decimal fractions to binary. To convert a mixed number to binary, first convert the integer to its binary equivalent and then the fraction. So now I've taken an example 38.21. Now 38 is the integer part. So I'll take out the binary equivalent of 38. So 38, if we divide by 2, 2 9s is 38. Here I'm writing the reminders here, so don't get confused. 2 9s is 38, so no remainder, has the remainder is 0. 2 9s are 18, so remainder is 1. 2 4s are 8, so remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, so no remainder, so 0. 2 1s are 2, again no remainder, so 0. 2 0s are 0, so remainder is 1. So because the integer part will read this way. So 100111 10011 is the binary equivalent of decimal number 38 of the integer part. Now let's consider the fractional part, 0.21. Now here 0.21 into 2 is 0.42, hence I'll take the integer portion into consideration, so 0. Now next is 0, by mistake I put a comma over here, but it's a point. 0.42 into 2 is equal to 0.84, so again I'll take 0. Then 0.84 into 2 is 1.68. Now I'll take this integer part 1. 0.68 into 2 is 1.36. So again I'll take the integer portion. Now 0.36 into 2 is equal to 0.72. So I'll take this 0 portion into consideration. Now here, because the integer portion, so we'll read down. So reading down, we'll find 00110. So 0.21 binary equivalent is 0.00110. So adding the integer and fraction 38.21 is equal to 100,110.00110. I think you were clear with the concept. Now you can try with few numbers. Thank you.